In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Amazon cannot update payments. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Amazon application. The first thing you want to do is remove and re-enter your card. Simply go ahead and head into your profile, click on account. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for your payments or manage payments tab. Simply click here on wallet, and once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and remove your previous cards and then add your card one more time. If that doesn't work, then it could also be your bank restriction. Contact your bank to ensure an e-commerce transaction, foreign transaction if buying from Amazon US or UK, and online purchases are explicitly allowed on your card. If none of it works, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.